Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 5, subject maths, chapter number 2, addition and subtraction. And this is 7th session on this chapter. In the previous session, we were solving the problems in revision exercises. Today, let us continue and solve the remaining questions in the exercise. Next, we have test your understanding type questions. Here we have two main questions. Solve and check your answer in each case using addition. And the second question is solve the following. Let us solve these one by one. First, let us look at the question number 1. Solve and check your answer in each case using addition. So we have to solve these questions A, B, C and D. After solving, so these are subtraction problems. After subtracting, we should check our answer using addition. First, let us take question A. So here we have 4,52,19,685 minus 12,34,569. Let us write down these numbers vertically, one below the other, and then we will subtract. Here I have written the given numbers vertically or one below the other according to the place values of the digits. Now let us subtract. Starting from 1's place, subtracting 9 from 5. So for subtracting 9 from 5, we need to regroup. So we will make the digit at a tens place, 8 as 7 tenths, and now this 5 becomes 15 ones. Subtracting 9 ones from 15 ones, we get 6 ones. Now subtracting 6 tenths from 7 tenths, we get 1 10. Subtracting 5 from 6, we get 1. Subtracting 4 from 9, we get 5. And for subtracting 3 from 1, we need to regroup. This will become 1 and we make it 11. Subtracting 3 from 11, you get 8. And again, you regroup this. Now subtract 2 from 11, you get 9. And subtracting 1 from 4, you get 3. So 4 is brought down as it is, since there is no digit in the digit below here to subtract. So the difference we obtained is 4,39,85,116. Now we have to check our answer or verify using addition. Let us do that now. I will write here verification. So how we will verify the subtraction? So we have to add the difference and the subtrahend, and the sum should be equal to the minuend. Let us write down and add difference and the subtrahend. So here I have written the difference we obtained now. It is 4,39,85,116, and the subtrahend given in the question That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 as given in the question. So we will add these two numbers now, and the sum obtained should be equal to the minuend given in the question. So that confirms the correctness of our calculation of the difference. Let us do that now. So let us add starting from ones place. So 6 plus 9 is 15. 5 is written here, 1 is carried forward. And 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8. 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 9, 5 plus 4 is 9. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 is written here and 1 is carried forward. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And we will bring this 4 down as it is. So now let us compare the sum we obtained with the minuend given in the question. Look here. So I am comparing the sum and the digits given in the question here. Observe here. Here we have 4, 5, 2, 1, 9, 6, 8, 5. Look here. Here also we have 4, 5, 2, 1, 9, 6, 8, 5. So this means our answer is correct. So you may conclude by writing a statement. Since the sum obtained in verification is the same as the minuend given in the question, the answer is correct. Here just I will put a tick mark to indicate we have verified and our answer is correct. Now let us take question B. So here we have 9 crore 27 lakh 6,381 minus 7 crore 64 lakh 32,180. So again we have to write down these numbers vertically or one below the other, and we have to subtract. So here I have written the given numbers one below the other according to their place values. Now let us subtract from 1's place. Subtracting 0 from 1 you get 1. Write down 1 in 1's place. And subtracting 8 from 8 you get 0. And subtracting 1 from 3 you get 2. And subtracting 2 from 6 you get 4. Subtracting 3 from 0 is not possible, we have to regroup. Make this 6, and now this will become 10. Subtract 3 from 10 you get 7. Subtracting 4 from 6 you get 2. Subtracting 6 from 2 is not possible. Regrouping is required. It will become 8, make it a 12. Now you subtract 6 from 12 you get 6. And subtracting 7 from 8 you get 1. The difference we obtained is 1 crore 62 lakh 74,201. Now let us verify our answer. Here for verification, the difference and the subtrahend are written one below the other. Now we will add these to obtain the sum, which must be same as the given minuend in the question. Let us add these numbers now. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 3 is 10. We write 0 here, 1 is carried forward. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. Now let us compare the sum we obtained here with the minuend given in the question. Look at the digits here. So 927063881, and look here 927063881, so which is same as the minuend given in the question. So the answer we obtained, or the difference we have found here, is correct after verification. Coming to C, successor of 4 crore 90 lakh 94 subtracted from the predecessor of 5 crore 50 lakh 1264 is. Here we have to subtract the successor of this number. We know that successor of any number is one more than the given number, or in other words, to obtain the successor of this number, we have to add 1 to this number, and to obtain predecessor of this number, we have to subtract 1 from this number. After doing that, we have to subtract the successor of this number. That is, this number will, the digit at one's place will become 5 in this number. That will be the successor of this number. We have to subtract that from the predecessor of this number, which will be 1 less than the given number here. So let us write down the successor of the first number given here and the predecessor of the second number given in the question, and let us subtract the successor of the first number from the predecessor of the second number. Successor of 4 crore 90 lakh 94 is 4 crore 90 lakh 95. That is, the digit at one's place is increased by 1. And predecessor of 5 crore 50 lakh 1264 is 5 crore 50 lakh 1263, which is 1 less than this number. So according to the question, we have to subtract the successor of 4 crore 90 lakh 94, that is 4 crore 90 lakh 95, from the predecessor of 5 crore 50 lakh 1264, that is 5 crore 50 lakh 1263. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು, ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ಈ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆದಿರೋ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿಲೋ ದ ಅದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್. So I have written the numbers one below the other for subtraction. Let us subtract now. So starting from ones place. Subtracting 5 from 3 is not possible. We have to regroup here. So this 6 tens now will become 5 tens, and this will become 13. Subtracting 5 from 13, you get 8. And subtracting 9 from 5 is not possible. Again you need to regroup. You will make this one, and this will become 15. Subtracting 9 from 15, you get 6. Here subtracting 0 from 1, you get 1. Again you get 1 here. Subtracting 0 from 0, you get 0. Here also you get 0. And here subtracting 9 from 5 is not possible. You have to regroup. This will become 4, and this becomes 15. Subtracting 9 from 15, you get 6. Right, 6 here. Here also you have 0. And subtracting 4 from 4, you get 0. Yes, this is the difference we obtained. So now we have to verify our answer. Here I have written the difference obtained and the subtrahend. So now let us add these two numbers. 8 plus 5 is 13, 3 here and 1 is carried forward. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 6 is 16. 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 9 is 15. 5 is written here. 1 is carried forward. And 1 plus 4 is 5. Now let us compare the sum we obtained with the minuend. So look at the digits here: 55001263. Look here, 55001263, which matches with the minuend, and hence the answer we obtained is correct. So you may write and fill in this blank also. Since the question C is a fill in the blanks type question, so when you subtract the successor of this number from the predecessor of this number, you will get this difference. That is 60 lakh 1168. So you have to write this number in this blank. Now let us move to question D. Difference of the largest 8-digit number and 8,88,888 is. So we have to find the difference of largest 8-digit number. So which will be 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. The largest 8-digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. So from that number we have to subtract 8,88,888. Let us do that now. Here I have written the numbers as we required for subtraction. Let us subtract now. So subtracting 8 from 9, you get 1. Here to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Here we don't have any digit in 10 lakhs and crores place. We will bring down the 9, 9 as it is here. So the difference we obtained is 9 crore 91 lakh 11,111. Now let us verify our answer. Here I have written the difference we have obtained now and the subtrahend for addition and verification. Let us add now. So here we have 1 plus 8, which is 9. Here too we get 9. Adding 1 to 8 we get 9. So here 9, we don't have any digit here, so we will bring down 9 as it is. So we obtained 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999, which is same as the minuend we had in the subtraction, and hence this confirms the subtraction we did is correct. Question number 2, solve the following. So we have to solve the following questions A, B, C, D, in which both addition and subtraction are involved. Let us solve these one by one. Here first we subtract the first two numbers and to the difference we obtained we add the third number. Let us subtract now. Subtracting 0 from 9 you get 9, and for subtracting 9 from 0 you need to regroup, make it 4, and this will be 10. Subtracting 9 from 10 you get 1, and for subtracting 5 from 4 is not possible, we have to regroup. This will become 3 and this will be 14. Subtracting 5 from 14 you get 9, and again you need to regroup here. This will become 13. Subtracting 6 from 13 you get 7, and again regrouping, this will be 2 and this becomes 11. Subtracting 7 from 11 you get 4, and here subtracting 1 from 2 you get 1. So the difference we obtained is 1,47,919. Let us add this 7,892 to this number. So I will write down plus, I will start from thousands place here because the number is having only 4 digit here, 7,892. This is what we mean by writing down the numbers according to their place values while adding and subtracting. So 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 is carried forward, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 9 is 11. So 1 is carried forward, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 1 is carried forward, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. 1 is carried forward, 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 is brought down as it is. This is the required solution for first question. Now let us solve the question B. First we will add the first two numbers, and from the sum obtained we will subtract this third number given here. So here the first two numbers are written one below the other for addition. Let us add now. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 8 is 15. 5 is written here, 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 1 is carried forward. 1 plus 1 is 2. And from this sum we obtained, we have to subtract this number. So I have written this number below the sum we obtained. Let us subtract now. Subtracting 3 from 8 we get 5. And subtracting 6 from 5 is not possible, we have to regroup. This will be 5 and this becomes 15. Subtracting 6 from 15 you get 9. And here subtracting 0 from 5 we get 5. And for subtracting 9 from 0 is not possible. We'll regroup, we'll make it 4, and now this becomes 10. Subtracting 9 from 10 you get 1, and subtracting 3 from 4 you get 1. Subtracting 6 from 2 is not possible, we have to regroup. This will become 1, and now this becomes 12 after regrouping. Subtracting 6 from 12 you get 6, and subtracting 1 from 1 you get 0. This is the required solution for second question. Similarly, solve C and D also by your own. Here, first you have to subtract second number from the first number, writing down one below the other, and to the difference you obtain, add the third number. Coming to D, add the first two numbers, and from the sum you obtain, subtract the third number, as I have shown A and B. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned all the questions discussed in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye students.